At CIXI, we're building a company that aims at making people more active. There's this huge problem of sedentarity that is just eating up the generations, not only our kids that are too much on the screens, of course, but also us. So what we're trying to do here is bring tools, vehicles that will enable active mobility in daily life without changing the planning. Being able to go 120 kilometers an hour on the highway to go to work, but you need to pedal. So that's enhancing your quality of life.
The reason why we chose onshape, at CIXI we're trying to build culture and an ecosystem where we have numerical continuity between our different databases and single source of truth for all of our tools and departments. And onshape really contributes to that by having a clean database first and then having seamless integration with our other tools.
With our previous system, we had to upgrade our software. It would stop our team from working because the software was off. Now with onshape, we just log in and the software is up to date. We don't have to buy expensive desktop to make our CAD work. We can use any device to access and make our CAD because it's in the cloud. With our previous system, our users were spending 50 minutes of their week waiting for the system to compute because the computing was done on the computer. And now with the cloud computing, thanks to onshape, they just wait 10 minutes per week for the CAD operations to compute. Thanks to branching features, we can iterate through different designs, which are really different concepts of the same part or assembly. It helps us to investigate different solutions and arrive at the best solution for our needs. With onshape simulation functions, we're able to check our design faster directly in the tool. It helps us verify that our design is compliant with our needs and iterate faster to design our components according to our requirements.
The culture of this company is to have people be enabled to do their job in the correct way, right? In a very fluent way. In this culture of relationship we have in the company, we want to have, and we have the same with our suppliers, with our partners. And we couldn't set that up with the previous supplier. So now we're on onshape, and to tell the truth, it's working really well.